you doing? All I want to do is look at you and kiss your face, okay?
You don't like your jammies? There we go. There. Plop in 3, 2, 1.
Pop open a Pringles. Pop open a Pringles. Pop.
To put the finishing touches on this match.
Oh my God! Roman Reigns. Oh, KO by Orton. Bring Bud. No.
Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, the claw! Cena delivering it. You got to be kidding me! How did he do it? Did he get it?
The finishing touches on this match.
Someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're going to qualify after this disaster. Because it only. You got to be kidding me! How did he do it? Did he get it? But a Lesnar who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away. Wait a minute. Look at this!
To put the finishing touches on this match.